Welcome to CAD Engineer. In this video, we are going to design this part by using extrude boss, fillet, shell, mirror, ribs, and circular pattern options. Let's see how to design this part. Let's start. To design this part, we'll go to Sketch and take a sketch tool. And here, I'm selecting a right plane. Because we are going to create this part from the side view, so we'll create a side shape of the model. And then we'll give all the dimension to this. Here I'm specifying all the dimension. This is 25, 120, 12 distance, 45, exit. We'll select the sketch, features and extrude it. We'll make it mid-plane and we'll specify the total dimension to be 64. So why I make a mid-plane? So in future I have to make something by using middle plane, we can use it. Now we'll apply fillet on the edges. We'll take fillet tool. We'll select all the edges one by one where we have to give a radius. So here I have selected all the edges. Now we'll specify the radius value to be 5. And OK. Now we are going to make this part to be shell. We'll take a shell feature. So here we'll specify the thickness of the wall to be keep, I said 2 mm. And we'll select this face and we'll remove this. OK. Once body becomes shell, now we'll make a rib on that walls. We'll take this wall and we'll create one rib from the top. So the rib type that I'm going to use that is normal to sketch. For that, I created the sketch, 2 lines, and will specify the distance of this line, that is 24, and exit. Now we'll take the rib tool, we'll select this sketch and specify the thickness of rib to 1 mm and do OK. Now we'll select this face and we'll make 2 circles. We'll specify the diameter of circle, this is 3 and this is 5, and we'll specify this is 15 distance from the origin, and this will make about origin vertical. OK. Now we'll exit from the sketch and we'll extrude it up to 15 height in one direction. So we'll take it here blind and 15 distance. OK. Now I want to apply rib with this feature. So what I'll do, I'll select a middle plane that is passing through the body, that is passing from this feature also, and sketch on it. Now I cannot see that feature here. So what we'll do, we'll change this body to be hidden view and then we'll create our sketch. Here I'll make one line horizontal and vertical. We'll specify the distances. This is 3. This is 10 mm and exit. We'll change the view again to solid with edges. Now we'll select the sketch, go to features and we'll take a rib tool. So rib thickness is 1 mm and do OK. Now I need total 4 ribs. So what we'll do, we'll do a circular pattern here. We'll select this rib and go to circular pattern. We'll select the circular face and do OK. Next, we'll select this face, sketch, and we'll make one slot here. We want to cut this area. We'll specify the dimension of slot, 30. We'll specify the radius value, that is 5. We're defining the distance from this edge to be 20. And we'll specify the distance from the outer edge, that is 18. And we'll make sure this is exactly vertical condition and exit. Now we'll make extrude cut. Okay. This cut I need another side also. What I'll do mirror it. So we'll select this and go to mirror tool. We'll find the plane which is at center of the body. If plane is not there, first we have to generate a plane and then only we can mirror it. So I'll use this plane and do OK. Next I want to make again two mounting boss here also. So again I'll make two circles here. So I'll taking the distance from here, that is 18 distance. This is 10 distance. Specify this 3 diameter. This is 5 diameter. Now we'll extrude it. 15. Okay. Now I need an intersecting plane for making ribs. We'll take a plane feature from reference geometry. We'll select this face. We'll reverse the direction and total 18 distance. Okay. Now we'll select this plane, sketch on it. Again we'll change this to hidden view. We'll take a line and we'll draw one line that is perpendicular here and straight line perpendicular to this edge. We'll specify the distances. This is again 3 distance and this is 10. So this line become tilted. We make this line and this line to be perpendicular. Exit. Again I'll change my view type with shaded and we'll select the sketch and go to rib tool. So here the thickness of rib is 1 mm and do OK. Again we'll select this rib and we'll go to circular pattern and we'll select this face and do OK. Now I need this complete part this side also. What we can do, we can mirror it. We'll select all the features. We'll go to mirror tool and we'll select the middle plane, like right plane is here. We'll use the right plane and mirror all that features on the other side. Do OK. Later we can hide these planes. So this is how we have completed this part. Let's apply some appearance to the model. So here let me give some color. Let's take this green color, a solid, do OK. Now we'll generate like 4 views. Let's see how the views will be look. So we can see this is a top view, front view and the left side view and the isometric view. Again we'll go to one single view. So this is how we have completed this project. Thank you for watching this video.